Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is basically, as you can tell by the title, is how did I become a travel agent. So if you guys follow me on social media, then you guys have seen that I am a travel agent now. I own my own travel agency business. So basically it was very easy to get started. I started with a company. I paid my upstarted costs, and then I also paid my monthly fee for my overhead, which I will get to in full details later on in this video. So yeah, why did I want to become a travel agent? It's basically because I have a son, obviously, and I love to travel, guys. So I was seeing a few people on my Facebook take a lot of trips. Like they were traveling literally like 3 times a month, going to Aruba, Costa Rica, and they will post like the amounts that they paid, which was really, y'all, ridiculous. So I'm talking like a 4-day Costa Rica trip for like 600 some bucks versus paying $2 grand for 2 people. That's simply amazing. So I inboxed her and I was like, hey, I would like more information, blah, blah, blah. And she sent it to me. And y'all, I was sold. So basically, I did kind of like, at first, I was kind of weary about it. I'm like, she's a travel agent, okay? The benefits cannot be that great. But y'all, they're the bomb.com. So basically, I did sign up. Like I said, there is a $179 startup cost, which is nothing when you think about it. Owning a business for $179 is literally nothing. Versus paying all that money to start a business with a storefront, everything like this. This is home based. So you can work it at your own hours. You can work it at home. You can work it at Starbucks. You can work it from your phone. Whatever you want to do, guys, it's completely up to you. So that is pretty much great for me because, like I said, I have 8, and so that works out even better. But yeah, with this business, is so much more benefits to it. If you wanted to travel 3-4 times out of the month, you definitely can do so with the benefits and the compensation plan that is attached to this company. The benefits are very good, y'all. Like, first of all, you earn commission off of booking trips. So if you have a family that likes to travel a lot, or they go on those family reunions, booking all these cruises, you guys, all this different stuff. If you have a business that books clients out or employees out of town, everything like that, you can book that and earn a great commission from it. So you can book flights, you can book cabins, resorts, you name it, anything, concerts. You can even sell concert tickets, guys. Like a lot of our, well, a lot of people in our group, we basically sold tickets to the Beyonce tour, on the run tour, and made a pretty nice penny off of it. So the commission is a plus as well. Said for as discounts as an agent, you will gain a ton of discounts for as hotels, rental cars. You really don't get any as far as like flights goes, but you really can't beat like resorts. I'm talking about like 5-star resorts, Aruba, Cancun, Jamaica, all those type of places. You get discounts there. Like I said, you get discounts on rental cars, cabins, everywhere, guys. And then, like I said, there is a startup fee, which is $179. And then monthly, you'll pay as an agent $39.99 a month, so basically $40. So basically, that $40 is going to cover your overhead costs. Your overhead cost is basically going to pay for, will cover the expenses of your website. So you have your personal website, which also has a built-in search engine as well. So your clients, if you don't want to book them the trip, they can easily go to your website and search it, everything for them, and create their own package as well, which is a plus. So you get all that for $40, which is not bad at all. And guys, you have to think about, you have websites like Expedia, bookings.com, things like that are charging all this money, and then they're getting their cut as well. You can be that middleman. So why, I'm not understanding why keep booking your own vacations on Expedia, things like that, when you can have access to it and earn commission from it and save more on your own trips. So kind of works out and evens out at the same time. So I absolutely love it. I have ladies in my group that are retiring. One lady in particular, which is my sponsor, she literally has retired and she's only 32 or 33. And she has a family at home, and she retired and she gets to spend all her time with them. So that is a plus, as well as earning residual income, which is a plus. And all I know, y'all, everybody will love a check every month at least, additional to their 9-to-5, or hell, if you want to make this your 9-to-5, you definitely can. You have to put in the work to a travel business. I will say that as well. You have to market yourself, which marketing really is easy because you have so many free outlets nowadays, but you definitely have to market yourself to gain your clients. But like I said, you have these families reunions, honeymoons, destination weddings, weddings in general. People need us to book that for them. So like I said, let's cut out the middleman, Expedia and bookings.com and whatever else is out there, and earn that commission, guys. The commission definitely helps out, especially with me being a single mom. It definitely helps out for expenses and things like that go. So I do not regret giving my $179 and my $49 a month. Okay, so I definitely love that. And like I said, the income is great. There's one lady in particular, she's another sponsor, that she's definitely one of the top earners of this company, and she's bringing in over $5K a month. So let this sit in for a second. Exactly. So if you guys are interested in becoming an agent, then definitely just email me. I will put my email down in the description box below. Like I said, it is a $179 fee. Startup cost, that's just the flat rate. And then every monthly bill, you'll be deducted $39 out of your account. That's another thing. If you're not satisfied within the first 30 days, you can cancel. And then you will receive a full refund. So that is a plus as well. But I highly suggest giving it a try. If you travel a lot, I'm telling you, you guys will love the benefits, especially in the discounts, because they are bomb.com. Yeah, if you guys want more information, just email me down below. If you are my friend on Facebook, definitely message me. I will leave the link of that down below. You guys can message me on Instagram and things like that. I highly suggest to y'all, that was the best decision I've made this year. And yeah, so let's travel more for less, guys, and earn this commission. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.